Hi, I'm Justin, and I'd like to give you an overview of Hathora and then a quick demo of our platform. Hathora provides server hosting and server orchestration to help studios achieve launch-ready scale for their multiplayer games. We offer cost-effective pricing at scale with a hybrid approach of bare metal servers along with seamless cloud auto-scaling bursts. Our platform is extremely developer-friendly, deployments are simple, everything is API-driven, from requesting a server to automating your CI pipeline. A lot of studios actually get their existing game servers deployed in less than 30 minutes. One of the great things about using Hathora is that studios are able to take their game from development to playtest to launch without any major migrations or infrastructure changes. Out of the box, our customers get access to all of our global regions. If you visit our homepage, you'll be able to see your pings to each of our global regions. You might notice that they're a bit lower than you expect, and that's because we leverage a premium edge network to make sure your players have the best playing experience and the lowest latency. So to get started with our demo, let's go ahead and create an account. Once you're at the screen, you can click Login. Then you'll be prompted with either signing in or signing up. To create an account, you can use an existing Google account, or you can do an email and password. Let's do email and password for this demo. Agree to our terms of service, and then you can click sign up. Next, you'll need to verify your email. I've done that off screen, so let's go ahead and refresh the page. Now you'll be at our overview page. This is where you can see all of your active applications. We don't have any yet, so let's go ahead and create one. Well, let's call this one Minecraft demo, because that is what we will be deploying today. The next step is to deploy our server build. There's a few ways to do that. One is using our command line tool, which is really good for integrating with your CI pipeline. Another is just dragging and dropping a tarball of your server build directly here. For this demo, we found a Minecraft server that comes along with the Docker file. Now that's important because Docker files are required for deploying on Hathora because we use containers to help unlock the scalability of our platform. I've already downloaded the server file here, so let's do that. Click Build. See it uploading. Next, it's going to go ahead and build the image and then disperse that to all of our global regions. What's really nice is this is a single step deployment, and then you immediately get access to all of the global regions. One nice feature is that we also go ahead and cache your build images in all of the regions to make startups as fast as possible for our customers. Next, we get to configure exactly how many CPU cores and how much memory our server instances require. We offer our customers fine-grained control down to the 10th of a CPU core to find that perfect size to get that maximum server efficiency. For Minecraft, let's set it to 2 CPU cores and 4 gigabytes of memory. Next, we have a more advanced feature down here that's for studios looking to even further optimize their servers. I'll link a blog post in the description that'll go into more detail on that. On this page, we can configure our container ports. I'll enter the port for the Minecraft server, and I also know that it's TCP transport type, but we also support UDP and TLS. Down here, you can add environment variables that'll get passed immediately to your server. And actually for the Minecraft server, I'll enter one for that. We also have an idle timeout that automatically spins down your server containers after 5 minutes of no active connections. You can also disable this if you like. Let's deploy. Now we can see that our latest deployment completed, and now we can test creating a room in one of our 12 regions. You can pick any one of these ones here. I'm going to go with Seattle, and I'll also go with Tokyo. Now, this create room button models the API call that your game will ultimately use in the end. Let's go back and take a look at those rooms we created. Let's take a look at the Seattle one. So you can see it's starting up, and you can also see the connection info, the host and port that players will ultimately be connecting to. Let's copy that and add that as a Minecraft server. multiplayer. We'll add a server. Let's call it Seattle. Paste that connection info. There it is. Cool. So you can see the ping is only 26 milliseconds thanks to our edge networking. Let's join the server. All right, we're in. Let's mine some cubes. Awesome. Cool. So we jump back to the process page. You can now see that we have our active connection shown. You can also see the cumulative egress bandwidth and also the CPU and memory utilization. These metrics are super useful to help you optimize your servers to figure out exactly how much resources your server will need. If you scroll down, you'll also be able to see live logs streaming from your server instance. You can see here, this is me joining the game. After the process ends, you'll actually be able to download the logs as a file, or you can also use our API endpoint to download the logs. In fact, everything you see on this web console is accessible through our public API. Our APIs actually make Hathora very flexible and easy to integrate with whatever your backend solution needs are. Cool, that's it for the demo. If you want to learn more, you can go to our website, and then you can check out our pricing, look around. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'll have links in the description. Thanks for watching.